Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is CryptoTakeOver coming back with another video again for y'all this evening. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin and the charts, see what Bitcoin might be telling us. Currently ranging at about 7,300. Are we getting ready to head to 8K or a little bit higher, maybe even 9K? Or could we jump back down into the crypto abyss, maybe going underneath 4K? That is a possibility. Anything's possible in crypto, as we know. So we're going to get started on the charts here. If y'all are brand new to this channel, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that y'all can get updated every single day that I make a Bitcoin video. And with that being said, here we go. All right, so we've been kind of adjusting sideways since our last little run up back to about 7,500. So sideways action here. As predicted, you know, we've said that we're going to want to move sideways, where we find ourselves in this little triangle here that I've drawn out for us. And so I feel like this will be a good ranging for us as well. And if we see how the day started off, we started off pretty bullish, having a nice little run up here. All the way up to 7,400, and then now we've just been retracing, kind of seeing whether or not our VWAP is going to hold as resistance or support. It looks like it has been a little bit of resistance the past couple of hours, but it does kind of want to seem that the bulls do want to take control of this and move us back above the VWAP to find support. So we're going to jump into our 30-minute time frame. We can see here that our 15 minutes also moving into our greenish money flow. 30 minutes still looks like it wants to have a little bit of a sell-off, but our blue wave is coming up above our zero pivot point. We are putting in a blue triangle here indicating a reversal signal. So after our blood diamond here on our 30-minute as well, which moved us all the way down to I think like 7,200, 7,185. So very nice little range there for us too. So we can also see that we're kind of moving down into this reddish money flow. So we are geared up, ready to go on my trading team. We have already signaled the next call. If y'all still want to be a part of that, feel free to join the Patreon page, link down in the description box. Y'all can get started on that. It will be this sell price is 35% off for the month of April, and that will be your locked-in price for the rest of the months that you are part of the team. So if y'all do want to get signed up for that, go ahead and feel free to join us there. We're going to jump into our 40-minute time frame. You can also see that we're still having a little bit of a sell-off here, maybe indicating that we want to come back down into that reddish area for us as well. Our 100 EMA is sitting at about 7,100. As you can see, and then if we go into our 1 hour time frame, also maybe indicating that we do want to have a little bit of a sell-off, but yeah, it's still moving kind of sideways here just a tad bit. Currently trying to come right back above our 13 EMA as well, and our VWAP. As you can see, I will go ahead and turn off our Cipher SR. And someone did reach out to me and told me that the whales by sell signal is not there anymore. So I've updated one of my Patreon members actually reached out to me, but we found a supplement for it, and we've moved on to that. So I've updated the Patreon page to let y'all know how to get the other signal on your chart, and what settings to use that will correlate to the ones I have on mine as well too. So we can move into our 2 hour. We did get this buy signal right here with some nice volume bringing us up to the top side here, and then our 13 EMA is also wanting to test as resistance right now, but it does look like we are finding our way back up above it. And then our 100 EMA is pretty far down, to be honest. It's pretty far below here. So what we would want to see is maybe us start to trim below the 13 EMA, and then maybe come back down and retest this other key EMA down here at about 6,900. So that if we break bearish out of this, that might be a indication of where we might find support at. Other than that, we could just continue to range sideways here for right now. And then on our 4 hour, we had a sell signal here on our 4 hour. So we're really gonna have to see whether or not that we're gonna continue out sideways here, or we break below this key EMA support and move on to the next EMA, right? So that'll be an indication to keep an eye on. You can see that we did have a sell signal here. It looks probably like some low volume that is being put in right now, so we just need to be aware of that as well. If y'all don't want to get signed up for the Patreon page, but y'all just want to help support the channel or just keep in touch with me, y'all can join the weekly newsletter that I send out. It's more or less a monthly newsletter, but I try to send it out every once in a while. And you'll basically get private videos that I offer only to my Patreons. And then also I'll do giveaways every once in a while too. So feel free to keep in touch with me on there. Go ahead and get signed up for it. Second link in the description box. And then also y'all can join the Telegram group if y'all like. We chat about different, it's just the channel actually. So I'll just give updates on there about what we have going on, maybe some signals or something that I'm seeing on the charts that I'm willing to give away for free. And then also the Discord server is free to join. If you just want to get in there and chat with us a little bit, you're feel free to welcome to. But the trading channel part of it is you do have to get signed up through Patreon in order to access it. So we can see on our 4 hour here, still kind of moving sideways just a tad bit. 6 hour. Also kind of just kind of trending sideways. We are in the green money flow as of right now, but it does look like it kind of wants to trickle back down. So we will just have to keep an eye on that. 8 hour, nice money flow happening here. EMA support at 7,100. So we did come back down and retest that 7,100 a little bit yesterday. So we're really just gonna have to keep an eye on it to see what might happen for the rest of the couple of hours. But as you can see, we have this triangle that we might be forming a nice little wedge inside of, and then we'll have to go from there. So our 12 hour also, let me see what's going on here. We have a red dot on our 12 hour indicating that we could get a little bit of a pullback. We are trying to maybe hold support above that 100 EMA. So we'll see whether or not we can hold support there, or we come back down and retest our key EMA here. But we haven't had our bullish cross here just yet, like we've had on our 8 hour. So we might be wanting to see at least that bullish cross happen there before we make any predicaments. And then our 21 hour, things are still kind of ranging for us as of right now. Same with our 1 day. Kind of ranging in between our key EMAs. So we'll probably just want to see a squeeze between those key EMAs and decide what's going to happen from there. Still kind of moving into the greenish here on our 1 day. Actually, it looks like the money flow actually moved kind of red there. So very interesting, but I have a feeling that the next couple of days is going to continue to be sideways, and we'll just have to play the breakout maybe once it happens. But like I said, my team is already set up for the next move, and I would like for y'all to be as well too. So if y'all do want to upgrade to the TradingView Pro Plus or Premium plan, feel free to use the link in the description box. If you are using Cipher, I would at least recommend that you upgrade to the Pro Plus plan, and it allows you to have a few more indicators on the screen, right? So feel free to use the link in the description box. And then also, if y'all want to start making and messing with bots, 3 commas allows you to create bots on their website or using their website, and you can use it on leverage exchanges or just regular exchanges as well to trade for you based on TradingView signals. So check that out if y'all are interested. If y'all just want to buy and hodl, I'd recommend buying a Ledger Nano X or S. I think right now Ledger is giving away a free Nano S when you buy X too. So with that being said, we can take a look here at our 2 day, see what's happening. Kind of getting some nice movement to the upside here. Relatively still bullish there. 6,800 would be our low EMA. And then as we start to move into these higher time frames, you can see that we're hitting some nice resistance here. So it's really going to take a lot of volume for us to get up above these certain areas. And that's just going to be the overall predicament of are we going to be able to get above these key EMAs here on these higher time frames? But that is yet to be determined. I would say we still have to play out the rest of the week to see what's going to happen and then go from there. So seeing some nice resistance at about 7,500 and see what's going to happen from there. So thanks for sticking around, y'all. I got to run and do some things today. So like I said, if y'all are interested in signing up, the April special is going on. So I'll see y'all in there. And then other than that, check all the other links down in the description box. CTO is signing out. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll see y'all.